The series parallel resistance calculator quickly determines the total resistance when multiple resistors are connected together. Let's walk through the interface. First, we have the configuration drop-down menu where you can select either series or parallel. For this example, I'm using series. Next is the number of resistors drop-down, which offers options from 2 to 6 resistors. I've selected 3. Then we have our input fields: resistance 1 in ohms, resistance 2 in ohms, and resistance 3 in ohms. Each field has a placeholder that says enter resistance value. For our worked example, I'll input 10 ohms in resistance 1, 10 ohms in resistance 2, and 10 ohms in resistance 3. After clicking Calculate Total Resistance, the calculator displays our results. The total resistance shows 30,000 ohms. Below that, the calculation section breaks down the math. Rs equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30,000 ohms. This confirms that in a series configuration, resistances simply add together to give us our total resistance of 30 ohms. This tool eliminates manual calculations and potential errors. Find the link in the description below.